Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the no email program associated to perform the requested action error. And now, let's get started. If you are seeing the error message no email program associated to perform the requested action, do not worry. This often happens because the mail application has been transitioned to the new Outlook application. Whether this transition has replicated on your system or not, you may find yourself unable to open emails. If you are experiencing this, the first step is to search for the Microsoft Store in your Windows search bar. Open the store and then search for Outlook. Press Enter. You should find an option called Outlook for Windows. If it is not already installed on your system, you will need to click on the Install button. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use Outlook, or if the issue persists, you can utilize any other email application. Simply type email in the Windows search bar and press Enter. This will display a list of available email applications on your computer, and you can choose one to set as your default. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
You